Get him, Luna.
Oh, I see him. Oh, shit.
Come on, Luna, over here.
Kill it.
Good girl. Good girl. I knew there was a fucking squirrel over here. Get him. Get him. Good girl. That was like a fucking 30-yard shot.
Get him, he's not dead, Luna.
Kill him. Kill that squirrel. Kill him. She's like, oh, little rat. Ain't even giving up a fight. Kill it. Luna, get it. Get it. A good looking squirrel there. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl, Luna. Good girl. Oh, I just ripped his tail. Doing a big old male. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Finally spotted him. We were sitting down. Yeah, fucking something in the eye.
It was all last minute. We didn't have our tripod out to get a nice video. We didn't want him to get away, though.
Good girl. Well, here we go, guys. That's 1, 2, 3 squirrels for Luna this season.
Mm-hmm.
With all these leaves. I mean,
yeah, it's hard.
Can't ask for any better. Good girl.
It's really hard to find them.
Good girl. Let's go get another one.
Gotta just get lucky
Good girl.
and see them.
Good girl.
But, yes, we'll try and get another one.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Good girl.